Hello, this is part 9 of the Raspberry Pi War Tank project. Now, this is also a small update, as I have added the final cosmetics to the Jibabajim. So, the LCD display has been displayed like last time. And today, I have attached the, whatchamacallit, the LEDs and the buzzer to the breadboard and to the overall connection. So if we run the code, the LEDs will turn on only when the tank is going in reverse. Hold on, let me turn on the power. And if I put it in reverse, you should see the LEDs turning on. There we go. They are turning on epically. And if I press the button, oops, that is the buzzer, and it also activates honk for that. So it's like the horn of the tank. Does a tank actually have a horn? I have no idea, but I've added one because it's an extra feature that was required for the project to be complete. So yeah, that's it for the project. It is basically done. Next episode, because I am gonna make part 10 so that I'll end up with a nice double digit, I'm going to encase this entire thing inside the tank. At least I'm going to try. And I'm going to take the joystick, the LCD display, and the two switches, and I'm gonna put them inside a box and hopefully have them as one nice controller for it, and hopefully the wires will be a bit more organized than they are right now, because right now it's a complete mess. But that's about it. I will see you in part 10 then, hopefully the final episode. Bye! If it's not, I don't know anymore.